Hello, I'm here at the Sheyenne State Forest here in North Dakota. We're going to be hiking out to North Dakota's only waterfall, the Mineral Springs Waterfall. It's a 4.4-mile hike round trip, so why don't you come along with me? All right, here we go, guys. Into the Sheyenne State Forest, the Sheyenne State Forest. It's quite a wide trail. It's gravel. So it's not completely maintained, so I think it's probably going to be more of an intermediate hike. You want to be in fairly decent shape to make it out here. I had one gentleman trying to warn me off because it looked too far, apparently. He was like, you do know it's like 4.4 miles. And I'm like, yes, I do. Thanks for your concern. So, something to keep in mind. But it is a nice trail. It's nice and cool back here under the trees. There is quite a bit of up and down here, it looks like, though. There we go. We got sign says that it's multi-use trail. Balance yourself when approaching others. All right, I'm gonna keep on cruising here for a bit. All right, we just crossed over onto the trailhead here that is distinctly for the waterfall, and it does say Waterfall Trail, so that is good. Oh, it's pretty. Yeah, it's gonna be a little more challenging hike than some of the other ones I've been on, I think. I like it. Sensitive trail area. What's pretty through here, though? Okay, there's going to be some ups and downs here. I will get back to you in a few. All right, still doing some ups here. But I think I caught my breath a little bit, so we can try to go through a few here without the huffing and puffing. Yeah, it's a tricksy one. It's definitely going to be one of my more challenging hikes this year, I think. Whew. We have some downs here. And I am feeling a little bit smug because I just left the mansplainer in the dust. I know I shouldn't be smug about it, but it is what it is. Well, let's follow the more worn trail here. I'm not sure why there's two trails like that, but there are. There we go. Like I said, a lot of ups. And we're coming out into some prairie here, and I think there's a cornfield nearby. So that's different. You do want to be in decent shape though, guys. Although there are benches, that's where the mansplainer stopped. So you can stop and rest if need be. There we go. Oh, much easier going down, as always, than going up. Well, it's pretty. Yeah, this hike's definitely good for the glutes, no doubt about it. Let's take a little look around here. It's a nice little ravine. And then I'm gonna go uphill some more. All right, we're out of the woods here and going into the prairie again. So there are a lot of nice scenery changes. Got some more ever-changing scenery here. Hills and some kind of trees. I don't really see that often around North Dakota, and a little trail. Into the trees we go. Oh, we're back in the woods here. It is a twisty, turny, up and down trail, guys. But it's really pretty in here. Poofda. I wonder why there's another trail. Interesting. I'll have to check that out later. Okay guys, I can hear the water. There's definitely something coming up here somewhere. It's coming from that direction over there, so I have a feeling we're gonna curve around a little bit to get down there. All right, here's some running water here. This little area, little bridge here, and oh, this is not the waterfall, guys. Thank goodness, right? This little spring. It's cute. All right, duck under the tree and come around. Oh, it's peaceful. This is a fairly busy trail. I just passed two groups of people coming back from the waterfall. There's also some picnic tables I saw. So it is a very well used, busy path. So you'll get to feel like you're out here by yourself, but you don't have to feel like you're by yourself, if that makes sense. So, sensitive trail area. Okay. Looks like we're going back into some prairie here. It's in the low to mid 70s today, so it's a really, really enjoyable hike. It's really comfortable out here today. We are back in the woods again. So this trail really does weave in and out of the woods, out in the prairie, back in the woods. It's ever changing. I like that. These little tree tunnels, there's been a lot of them. Make you feel special. I don't know why, but every time I go through what I call a tree tunnel, I feel special. Oh, there's a little stream down below. The weather is absolutely gorgeous today too. It is the perfect temperature for hiking. Goes down to the little stream, I bet. It's a cute little stream. Oh, waterfall. All right, the sign up there says the waterfall is 400 feet, so I'm going to make it up there and I will get back to you along the last 400 feet and we'll see it together. Oh, these little bridges. All right. Woo. Work those glutes, goodness. There's a little picnic table down here, looks like. And there she is. It's a little bitty one, but there she is. Here we are at North Dakota's only registered waterfall. This is it. This is the Mineral Springs Waterfall. Cool. Well, I'm heading back, guys. So it's good. It's on the same trail here. So unless the view is something really spectacular, I think I'm gonna cut this off until the end here until I get back. But maybe, you never know, there might be something spectacular that I didn't notice on the way here. See you in a bit. Okay, so I just finished the hike out to the waterfall here in Sheyenne State Forest. It was a really fantastic hike. There's a lot of scenery changes, lots of ups and downs. It's really, really a nice hike. It did take me a little over 2 hours, and it's definitely for the more intermediate hiker. I wouldn't bring a beginner out here or anyone who has any mobility issues at all. But for most anyone else, it's a really fantastic hike. It's busy too, so you won't feel like if you're out here all by yourself, because you will pass other people. Thanks for coming along with me.